Hello, how are all of you? It's good to see you again. In this short and sweet video, we will be covering the fourth type of reaction, not single replacement, but now double replacement. We're not going to get too creative here. I'm going to make this one pretty short and sweet. The only difference between a double replacement and a single replacement is that we have two elements replace one another, ergo why it is called a double replacement reaction. Usually this will have two compounds. Obviously then we're going to have a little switcheroo. A lot of times this will be compared to foiling in math, and you'll see why here. Example to start, I have calcium bromide reacting with silver nitrate. Just like always, if I give you the names, you're going to give me the symbols with their charges. I know calcium's +2, bromine's -1, silver's almost always +1. You can use your polyatomic ion sheets to go look up nitrate. This step right here is going to be really, really helpful. First, though, I'm just going to kind of go get caught up on the left side and what I'm going to have reacting. I crisscross to give my calcium bromide formula there. I crisscross to get my silver nitrate formula, and now, instead of it being a single replacement, it's going to be a double replacement. What's going to happen here is that calcium is a positive metal, so it's not going to go with a positive metal. It's going to go with the other anion. So now we're going to have calcium +2 and nitrate -1 combine. And a lot of kids want to put BRAG here, but remember, the metal always has to come first. So if I go over there, here's my work for that. Calcium's +2, nitrate's -1, outside, outside. Silver's +1, bromine's -1, inside, inside. And remember, silver's coming first because the metal always comes first. And then we just have to crisscross, and life is pretty easy. Make sure we're careful. A lot of kids will think it has to be NO3 over here since it's NO3 over here. But in this case, I would need 2 nitrates because it's calcium. Now we know it's not balanced because I can't end with 2 nitrates if I start with 1 nitrate, so we have to go balance it by putting a 2 right there. Now I have 2 silvers, so I need to go over here and make this have 2 silvers. I now have 2 bromines, which is great because over here I have 2 bromines. It's balanced. That is how you do double replacement reactions. Just make sure you're careful with your brackets, draw your ions, and make sure you're crisscrossing carefully, and don't forget to balance.